Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about how we measured for our anchor bolts on our seal plates or our bottom plates, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to show you how we measured those and cut and drilled those. We used 3/4 inch anchor bolts in our foundation, but again, like I talked about in the previous video, there was not a lot of helpful information that we could find on YouTube or anywhere else on how to do this specifically with our application. There was obviously enough to help us kind of get started, but as a DIYer and someone who's completely new at a project of this size and scale, it was just new to me. So just wanted to show you guys how we did it, and then we're also going to show you how we accounted for when our anchor bolts fell on a stud. So we're going to show you how we adapted for that. We're also going to show you how we kind of started framing everything a little bit in this video. But if you want to save a lot of money on a build like this of your own, these are just some helpful tips that will kind of help you along that journey. But anyway, I hope this helps, and if you enjoy this type of content, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. It's free. It just really helps us out, and we'd really appreciate it. Okay, as you can see, we've just got this laying on the foundation. It's up against our anchor bolts, and what we're going to do is just take our speed square, and we are going to lay the speed square on here till it connects with the bolt, and then we're just going to mark either side. I've already done this side, but again, we're just going to square it, make sure we're flush, and then we're going to draw our 2 lines there, and then so on and so forth. And I think a lot of guys, there's different ways of doing this. I've just found doing this project, this was the method that I was kind of the most comfortable with. I had took this is 2x6, by the way, pressure treated. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to take this off here. We're going to set it right here. And then we're going to take that first measurement, and I'm just going to take my speed square. I'm going to put it on this chalk line as if it were a piece of the 2x6. One and 3/8. These guys were pretty good. This one's 1 3/8 also. And our last one on this wall. One and 3/8 also. So we'll get our speed square on here. We will mark 1 3/8, and I just put a dot in between my 2 lines to mark the center point of my anchor bolt. The other thing that I like to do with my bottom plates is number them. So this is number 3, starting from the back wall, and it's the east wall. And then I've got an arrow going in the direction that I know it needs to go. We will also have a stud here that I'm going to mark. I usually just put an X where there needs to be a stud, so I know there's a stud that's going to go here. Give it about. Okay, I'm using a 3/4 inch bit. So I just centered it up on that dot. how we did. Nice and firm. Looks great, right on the line.
Sometimes I really wonder why I fool myself again and again. 'Cause I sit here crying when you're out with someone else.